Hey, welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome, welcome. What do I have for you today? A BLT wrap. I don't know how I came up with this. I just woke up one morning. I wanted bacon. I wanted something simple, so I had some leftover wraps and I just put it together. Just take a look at this. This is absolutely out of this world and it's done super fast. You can use the toaster, you can use a sandwich maker, or you can even use a pan, whatever you have on hand. Let me show you how easy this is to put together. Here we go. Start with your favorite wrap. And this wrap here is kind of on the smaller type rod because the bigger one might give you some problems. And it's very simple. Take some bacon that you have pre-fried, extra crispy, medium crispy, any way you want, and let's add 2 slices, one to the top and one to the bottom like this. Now let's add some sliced tomatoes, and here I'm using cherry tomatoes. Why? Because that's what I have left over. And you can use regular medium size or small tomatoes, whatever you have on hand. And just make a straight little line just like this down the wrap on top of the bacon. And it cannot be a BLT without the lettuce. So let's make another line of lettuce. Now here I want you to be careful. Don't put too much because I'm going to show you how this works in the toaster. So if you put too much, it's going to be too thick and it's going to create problems for you. Now here comes the easy part. I want you to grab one side of the wrap and just fold it over like this. Try not to break the edges of the wrap. And grab the other side, put it over just like this, and I just want you to flip it over in the middle and fold it, and there you go. There is our wrap perfectly done. Okay, first let me show you how to use the toaster. Now here I have a wide mouth toaster. If you don't have one like this, it could give you some problems, so I don't recommend it. And just put it in, push the level down, and set your settings to toast. Now when it does pop, if it does get stuck coming up, what I like you to do is get a rubber spatula, put it along the sides, and it will pop out. But please turn off the electricity first. Now if you have one of these fancy dancy grills like I have here, just put your two BLT wraps right in the middle. Then I want you to bring it down, set it for 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes depending on your temperature, and they will turn out perfect. If you don't have this contraption, I would advise you to put the wraps in a pan, press it down, and toast it in a open pan. And it's been about 2 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, that really looks good, and it's toasted perfectly on the outside, and the lettuce is still crisp because I didn't put it for a long time. So I hope you really enjoy this and see how simple this is to make. So once again, we reached the end of our video. I want to say thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you on my next videos, and for now it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.